Hello farmers, my name is Joseph Maina Karaya, a dairy farmer from Kinangop, Nyandarua County. In the last episode we talked about selecting good breeds, and today I am pleased because I received several calls from farmers across, and today I'm delivering some cows to 3 farmers from Uganda, and today I'm delivering to 3 farmers. I have 10 cows today. I'm delivering 4 to a farmer in Nakauka. I'm delivering 3 to a farmer in within Kalerwe Junction, and another one in Mbarara in the eastern part of Uganda. I'm happy because I received so many calls from farmers who had me in the YouTube. Yeah, I'm happy for the 3 farmers because they saw me on YouTube and trusted me, and we discussed, and today I'm delivering the cows, 10 of them, very good cows, to them. I will deliver the cows to their farms. Now the process of delivering my cows to my clients is very simple, because after receiving calls I send photos to the client, then we select the cows the farmer is pleased with. So I share photos with my clients, then when we agree on if they find the cows are okay, we negotiate on the pricing, the delivery cost and everything, and then we set a date when we do our deliveries. We have means of transport. We have a lorry that can carry a capacity of around 13 mature cows, and if they are small heifers we can carry about 20 small heifers. We also have another small vehicle that carries 4 cows. So if you need like 3 or 4 cows, we have a small vehicle, but if you need many cows, we have a big lorry that can carry up to 13 cows. I believe they trust me because I select very good breeds for them. I have very good breeds, and then when we agree what we agree, I make sure that is what I do. If it is time, we agree it is today, that is when I will deliver my cows. If we agree it is tomorrow, that is when I deliver the cows. And I deliver what we agree with my clients. Main reason why most farmers in Uganda trust me is because I have my own means of transport, and it makes it easier when transporting, because when we agree with the client the day, I think I don't fail. If we agree it is Tuesday, it will be on Tuesday. If we agree it is Friday, it will be on Friday. And our lorry has a capacity of 13 mature cows. On board I have different breeds. This one is a crossbreed of Ayrshire and Fresian. This one is a crossbreed of Fresian and Girirando. This one is a crossbreed of Jersey and Ayrshire. This one is a pure Holstein heifer, Then we have a Fresian heifer there. Then this one also is a cross of Girirado and Fresian. I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, JEI EM Dairies, my Facebook, I am Karaya JM, and on TikTok I am JEM Dairies. Thank you very much. If you are there and you'd like to own a cow from JEM Dairies, you can contact me anytime and I will deliver to your doorstep. Thank you very much for watching.